Hi guys, welcome back to the Chef Mooney channel. Now this week I'm starting off with a brand new series called The Sunday Bake, where every Sunday I'll bake something for you. And today's recipe is a chocolate chip cookie. It's very simple to make, so let's get started. Into a bowl I'm going to add my flour, self-raising and plain together. Then I'm going to gently sift this through, followed by my brown sugar and white sugar combined. Add my macadamia nuts along with my dark chocolate and give everything a good mix. It's time to add the wet ingredients. I've got some melted butter here. I'm going to add my eggs, one whole egg and one egg yolk, followed by my vanilla extract. And we're going to simply pour this into our dry ingredients and mix it to a nice smooth dough. Now onto a baking sheet, I'm going to place 1 tablespoon of the mixture and separating them about 6 centimeters apart, giving them plenty of room to cook and spread. Now we're going to place into a preheated oven, 150 degrees Celsius, 302 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to cook these for about 16 minutes. After they're cooled down and they've come out of the oven, you can then place them onto a cooling rack to completely cool. I hope you've enjoyed my first recipe right here on the Sunday Bake with Chef Mooney. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell. That way you'll get informed with every new recipe and video that I upload. Thanks for watching Chef Mooney and the Sunday Bake. The full descriptions and how to make this are on my website, thesundaybake.com. See you next time.